Let me read the definition of the word risk. Knowledge separates the boys from men. So y'all gonna learn today. But I think this is a dialogue that needs to be had. Okay, this is the definition of risk. A situation involving exposure to danger. A situation involving exposure to danger. So now, anytime you invest in business or invest in a form of business, there's an exposure to danger. Now, danger could be that the results don't come in the fashion that you want them to come in. But see, here's what happens. And let's just take credit repair for an example. Okay. First of all, we have to understand that credit repair is not a get out of debt jail free card. Just because you pay somebody for credit repair does not mean that all of your accounts are supposed to just fall off. There are laws involved. Okay. Like, yes, you owe the 97% of the time you really